Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduates, mechatronics graduates, electronics graduates, and electrical graduates, and E&A and IC graduates. So all these department people can make the best use of it. The name of the company is Valeo. Now Valeo is recruiting job vacancy for mechanical, electrical, electronics, E&A, ICE for following vacancies, and job location will be in Chennai. Company name is Valeo and company website is given in the description. I will provide all the details in the description. Kindly read carefully and apply for the job. Regarding the company has been established in 1923 and they have been various headquarters in Paris, France, etc. Over 90 years later, it has been a world leading global automotive supplier operating in 33 countries and partnering with automakers worldwide. Education qualification is B.Tech in EEE, ECE and even mechanical can apply, or ME M.Tech in automotive, electronics or communication or embedded system. So 2021-22 batch graduates only can apply. You need to have minimum 7.5 CGPA. Venue date is 3rd December 2022 Saturday and timing is between 9 to 11:30 AM and address is Valeo India Private Limited, CEDES IT Park number 63, Phase 1, Rajiv Gandhi Salai, Navalur, Chennai. And landmark is near Gokulam Sabari Hotel, Chennai, 6,130,000. Candidates should carry their consolidated mark list and provisional certificate for the interview. Only immediate joiners will be accepted. So this is the venue date and this is the advertisement. Kindly see the advertisement. It's 2021-22. Whatever details we discuss, the same thing is here. Just have a glance of it. So now they are hiring for Software Technical Center Chennai. Those who are willing to work in IT company in Chennai, it's a and if you are from the core branches means it's a great opportunity and deal for you. Kindly don't miss it. And for mechanical GTC mechanical PTS engineer CAD this is the job title in area of work. For you need to have a bachelor degree in mechanical, automobile and design engineering, and candidate must have minimum 2 to 3 years of experience in product design and development. You should have hands-on experience in CAD/CAM and PLM. You should have good knowledge on manufacturing processes and these capabilities like die casting, plastic molding, sheet metal. The scope of the work is you need to have experience in transmission system, design and development. You need to work autonomously in CAD/CAM like part modeling, drafting, assembly, etc. You need to define and evaluate the mechanical concept and design. You need to create of mechanical specification and requirement. You need to create simulation order for mechanical analysis and review the result. You need to define the test on the component level and document of the development result. You need to contribute to design review, drawing reviews and design reviews with supplier. You need to perform stack up calculation, that is one dimension tolerance analysis. You need to have knowledge in 3D stack up calculation will be an added advantage. Responsible for maintaining the technical data like 3D drawing and BCM, PLM, etc. So below you will be having a link to apply. Once you click the link, you will be directed to the official website and apply page. So you can fill your details and personal details and fill it carefully and apply for the job. And they will be contacting you or intimating you through your registered mail ID and registered mobile number for further updates. Kindly have a frequent check of your registered mail ID and mobile number so that you won't miss any update from the company. If you like this video means put a like and share the video to mechanical, electrical, electronics, E&A and ICE people. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.